शूट करना impossible हो चुका है with a 2-year toddler, but I wanted to gain some momentum and I thought कब तक, so I really missed shooting these videos. So anyhow, we moved homes. That's a story for another time, but this time I tried something very different with my plants when I was styling this space. So here are some points that are worth sharing. So the first plant I want to talk about is Raphis. This is about 5 feet plant और आप देखोगे ये 20 इंच पॉट में है. अब पॉट इतना भारी है, प्लांट इतना बड़ा है, so we tried a different kind of drainage that we do in landscaping. What we did, of course we made holes. We also put in नीचे drainage cell. उससे क्या होगा, मिट्टी और जो पॉट का बेस है, there will be some distance. If there is extra water, it will not be stagnated in the soil. Chinese evergreen. I love Chinese evergreen. ये लोकेशन परफेक्ट है बिकॉज वेस्ट फेसिंग है, तो धूप आती है बट बहुत ब्राइट नहीं आती. The third plant is this variegated pothos. Now one thing that I learned, of course जब आप चीज़ें बार बार करते हो तो आपको रियलाइज होती है कि कहाँ गलत जा रहे हो. So I used to think that pothos सारे 3-4 तरीके के मार्केट में pothos आते हैं. Probably like 5-6 kinds actually. I used to think that they grow similarly, but I've learned that the most difficult one is this one. My house is fairly lit, it is fairly bright with natural light, but this plant did not survive.
Okay, thank you. इसका क्या करूँ? काम करूँ. अच्छा. और प्याज का? जाओ रखो किचन में. डंडा जी नहीं है.
So another plant we tried was lipstick plant. Leaky dew dressina. If it is low lit to medium lit, this plant does really well. And in this space around, I have also played with syngonium, some philodendron.
Reindeer's coming out to play.
Over time, I've also added more plants. I would talk about them later in the videos in detail. But umbrella tree here in the dining space.
Behaving okay. Every Christmas.
And this monstera, how can I not talk about it? It costed me 3,000 for 4 stems. It's this rare, unique one. I would have negotiated the pricing, but फिर पता नहीं मिलेगा या नहीं. So I was like, okay, whatever, just give it to me, whatever you want to price it at. But very very expensive plant. उसको थोड़ा दूर भी रखा है. I've actually moved the plants a little bit over time. So ये जो video narration की मैं आज shoot कर रही हूँ about 3 months of setting. That's the amount of gestation period now I need for these videos. So इसलिए I was like, let's just shoot and we'll talk about the details of what I moved around later. But yeah, so I have some add-ons and I also have a window that I want to set up plants. So if I was to put in words what I did differently, I added a tall plant. वो heavy है, it had some height, and because I have a small child, it is not easy to move around. ऐसा नहीं है कि उसको धक्का लगेगा and वो उस पे गिर जाएगा. So that is why the Raphis palm. I love this plant. And secondly, सारे pots जो हैं, you would see that either plastic or they are metal. So अगर कुछ गिरेगा तो it will not hurt the child. Now the preferences of course change with time, right? पहले I used to look for ideas कि सन कितना आ रहा है उस हिसाब से प्लांट्स लगाएंगे या फिर पानी कितना डालना है. But now a very important factor is that it should not hurt the child or he should not eat it. And the third factor is if it is not very big and has a chance of falling, it is at a raised height beyond his reach. I hope you enjoyed this simple video. In the last 2 years since I have not been making videos very actively, I've realized that YouTube has kind of evolved very differently. Abhi, I also spend so much time listening to podcasts on YouTube. I was never a reel person really, but I enjoy watching reels, but not making them so much. Yeah, but I do hope that these videos are relevant. I love decor videos. I love caring for plants. I love styling with plants. So let me know if you enjoy watching them. Take care. Thank you so much.